Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. We'll use the dot product formula. The cosine of the angle equals the dot product divided by the product of the norms. Here are the four vector pairs we'll analyze. Each vector is shown as a column vector. Find theta for each pair, compute the dot product, the norms, then cos theta, and finally the angle. Pause now if you want to think about any case. If you don't know the answer yet, you'll soon experience the satisfaction of learning it. Part A. Two-dimensional vectors. Compute dot product and norms directly. The cosine simplifies to 1/2, so the angle is 60 degrees. The picture confirms the computed result. The two vectors meet at an acute angle of 60 degrees. Part B. A three-dimensional example. The dot product is 0, so the vectors are orthogonal and the angle between them is 90 degrees. Because the dot product is 0, these two vectors are orthogonal and the angle between them is 90 degrees. Part C. Two vectors with similar length. The dot product and norms give cosine 1/2 again, so the angle is 60 degrees. Again, we obtain an acute angle of 60 degrees between the two vectors. Part D. An obtuse angle case. A negative dot product yields a negative cosine. After simplifying, we get minus root 2 over 2, giving an angle of 135 degrees. Because the dot product is negative, the cosine is negative, and the angle between the vectors is obtuse, 135 degrees. Let's recap the results for each pair. Here are the four results side by side. A and C are 60 degrees, B is 90 degrees, and D is 135 degrees. Great work following along. Watch the next video to learn more and see these ideas and other examples. It's a fun ride.